Hi guys, in this video series I'll be showing you how to make a Pokemon game on Scratch. So this is a preview of the game. So our Pokemon is Greninja, and Greninja has 3 attacks: Water Shuriken, Hydro Pump and Cut. And our opponent is Charizard. So Hydro Pump, Cut, okay, Greninja is unable to battle and Charizard wins. So this is part 1 in making a Pokemon game on Scratch. So let's get started. So now I'll show you how to code our Greninja. So make sure you have uploaded all the sprites and click on Greninja. Now let's make some variables. So attack for all sprites, Charizard attack for all sprites, Greninja attack sprites, in for all sprites, improve for all sprites, turn for all sprites, and click on Greninja. Make a variable called faint, for this sprite only. And when we are clicked, we need to hide, set our ghost effect to 100. So now click on Charizard, new variable faint, for this sprite only, for our Charizard. And when we are clicked, we need to hide, set faint to 0, and then show, then we will go to X 119 and Y 99, and then forever, if not faint equals 1, then next costume. Now click on platform 1, platform here, and when we are clicked, we need to go to front layer, go to X, -122, and Y -101, and forever go backward 2 layers. We will say 5, and then drag the same code to platform 2, the platform over here, and then change the go to X to 107 and Y1. And now click on Pokeball. So there are 11 costumes in our Pokeball sprite. And when we click, we need to set volume to 60. Then point in direction 90 degrees. Then hide. Go to X. -160 and Y2, and then we need to set our size to 100, clear all graphic effects, wait 1 second, and then we need to show. Let's make a new variable called height for this sprite only. Then we need to set height to 12. Grab a repeat 13 because we are setting costumes. Next costume, we need to change our size -2 and change our Y by height. And change X by 1, and then we need to change our variable height by -1. Now grab an if statement. So if costume number equals 7, then we need to switch costume to costume 1, and then we need to switch costume to costume 10. Wait 0.1 seconds, and then switch costume to costume 11. Then we need to start some Pokemon, and then again wait 0.1 seconds, and then we need to broadcast a new message. Go, click OK, then repeat 25, change our ghost effect by 4, and then we need to hide. So now click on BG, and when green flag click forever, we need to go to X36 and Y1, and we need to go to back layer. Now click on Ash Greninja. So we have only 3 blocks, and now when I receive go, we need to go to X -127 and Y41 and set a variable faint to 0, our Ash Greninja variable, and then show, and forever if faint not equals to 1, then next costume. So we'll clear the graphic effects first, and then next costume. So okay, now let's test our project. So you can see our Charizard works, as well as our Greninja and our platforms, as well as our Pokeball. So okay, our Pokemon animation works. And now click on Battle HUD, and when green flag clicked, minimize the screen. We need to go to X0, Y -202, and then we need to hide. Then grab another wing green flag clicked. We need to show. Set our ghost effect to 50, light 1 second to X0 and Y -202, and then repeat 50. We need to go to front layer. Then when I receive go, duplicate this and go to front layer, and when I receive go, we need to wait 2 seconds, and then glide 1 second to X0 and Y -140. This is our Battle HUD code. So okay, now let's test our battle HUD, our game bar. So okay, our game bar glides. So our game bar also works. So now I show you how to code our buttons to choose our attack. So first click on button 1, which has cut, and when green flag clicked, we need to hide, set N to 0, and when green flag clicked, we need to forever grab if else, grab a lesser than. So if Y position of battle HUD is lesser than -185, we need to hide, else we need to show. And whenever we see go, we need to wait 2 seconds. And then we need to show forever if grab a not. So if not N equals 1, then we need to go to front layer, and then we need to go to battle HUD. And when the sprite is clicked, we need to grab an if statement, grab a equals. So if turn equals 1, then we need to set attack to 0, and then we need to broadcast new message called attack. And now click on your backdrop, and when green flag clicks, we need to set turn to 1. So okay, now let's copy all these sprites to our button 2. And clean up all our blocks. So button 2 is water shuriken, and if turn equals 1, we need to set attack to 1. So that's the only change we need to make in button 2. And again, let's copy all these sprites to button 3. Clean up all our blocks. So button 3 is the button with hydro pump. And then we need to set attack to 2. So okay, now let's test our button. So now you can see our button appear. So if all of your buttons are at the middle, try clicking on any button, go for costumes, and on the paint editor try moving them. Select and move, and then you can place the button where you want. So I place the button here on the cut, slightly to the left, and now button 2, slightly to the right, now button 3, to the right. So now you can see our Pokeball works, our Pokemon animation works, and the battle HUD and the buttons appear. So that's it for part 1, and in part 2 I'll be showing you how to make our Pokemon attacks. So our Pokemon could attack, and the game bar. So if you like this video, please make sure to give it a like, subscribe and share. And see you in part 2 in making a Pokemon game in Scratch.